What is going on, everybody? I hope you all are having a great day because it is beautiful out and we are out here with Nessie, the freaking LS swapped Volvo wagon. She just got coilovers. I hope you all checked out the video. If you haven't, check out the install video of these beautiful coilovers. Prior to this, the old LS Volvo was on completely clapped struts. So today it's going to be the maiden voyage. The first, my first time drifting it, the first run with these coils. So it should be exciting. Me and Kendra are gonna go send it. Since last time, since the install, I did mess with this a little bit. I have tuned the whole car in. I'm happy with the heights for right now. What I did was I took off these two top bolts, I lowered this whole assembly down, and I flipped these camber plates before they were down here. So this gave me a lot more camber on the wheel itself. And now, I don't know if you can see, but she actually has some camber now. A healthy amount of camber on both sides. And I still have more on the adjustments. And I stiffened up the adjusters a little bit. Both the front and the rear are 3/4 on the stiffness setting. On the damping, it's rebound, and whatever that freaking knob is. The knobby stiffness here. And I think we're ready to go send it because everything is dialed in good. All right, let's rip it up. Alright, so there's a truck where I normally drift, but that was, yeah, send it in. There's a truck where I normally drift, but I'm gonna try to be creative and just make a set. Alright, this is the first time I've ever drifted this suspension. Let's send it. Hop in. We'll go to the next spot now. I don't want to stay here. That wasn't bad. I looped it out on the backside, but I need a hydro now. Suspension feels great though. That was good. We'll do a little slide out of here real quick. Gillian out of here. We are back at the compound and I have the Volvo up in the air because I was hearing some weird noise, like nothing crazy, but it was just making like a little, I don't even know how to describe it. It was making a knocking noise when I would turn. So I just jacked it up to see what was going on and I found out that the sway bar link here, because it's adjustable, it was like this sideways, and the more sideways it gets, the closer this rod gets to the strut, so it's hitting the strut. So I just need to rotate this back, it pushes the sway bar down, it's out of the way, and that should be fine. So I'll have to tighten all this up again, and we'll go out and hit another sesh. So far so good though. I mean, I figured I had to test and tune something small like that wasn't a big deal. But yeah, let's do it. It's so much stiffer. It used to have like a bunch of suspension drop, but now it doesn't. We're gonna go out for another test here. And yeah, see how she does. Already though, I mean, come on. I feel like you could tell a big difference just in that drift video. I watched on the camera, I had to see it. I wanted to see if it looked better. But I feel like it just looks better, it's smoother, the body roll is none now, it's great. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this so far. Some figure eights. Oh yeah, that wasn't bad. That's actually a nice little set there. I don't know if you could see, but we almost like, did you see a hole over here?
Yeah.
Did you see how big it was? We like barely scooted around it. Look at this hole. Like what? We just like drifted around that thing so perfectly. That's Orion. That's awesome. Don't want to go on that thing. That would destroy axles, wheels, anything. You'd probably rip your wheel off if you hit that thing. It's drifting good though. It's drifting freaking nice. We're on our way to hit another spot, but she's pulling right a little bit. So I was like, you know, let's just check the tires. So I think it's the tires and they're just shredded. Yeah, we killed them. We killed them. They dead. I think that might be the cause of the little bit of pull we're getting. I don't know though. This one's no better. This one's on the belts on the outside. These were so nice too. Darn it.
Oh, I'm so upset.
I'm so upset. Because I have no tire left, I'm gonna send it off with one final skid. Send this turn up in the rain, never dry. Yeah. Pretty happy with how she's doing. It drifts so nice. The body is so much stiffer. There's like no body roll. It's great, but no tires left. Bummer. Let's finish it off. Safety first.
Where'd it go?
All right, dudes. Is that it? Yeah. That is that for today. My tires are pooched and I don't want to blow them apart out here because that would suck. So I hope you enjoyed, because I definitely enjoyed testing out the Volvo today. And yeah, more to come. She's gonna be at the drift track. Leave a comment, everybody, and smack that notification button. If you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, because I'm posting new content all the time. You wanna get notified by the fun shenanigans going on. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!
Why self-life? We got London on the track.